so cute. The little hat. Too cute. I'm gonna be a little bit wobble wobble. Waddle. Yeah, me too. Oh, I know. Oh, a bow tie. I'm not a man here. I'm a girl. Okay, I'm gonna reset. I'm a what the what? Look at my little brother there. Oh, hold on. Okay, resetted. Oh, it's so big. Such a big duck. Yeah, how? Also, we are Filipino. I'm wearing cute headset. Ooh, cars. We have cars. Come here, B-boy. How to move? How much? Let's use the big one. Ooh, an obby. We can't go in the obby. We need to do like this. Oh, yeah. Push me, yeah. Okay, help. Oh no, it's upside down. The big one. Yeah. Oh, we need to be a giant duck. Oh look, balls. Ooh, a trampoline. The balls, the big balls, the balls, the big balls.
Happy birthday, Grace. Ayaw mga kapuso kung sa akin tayo at maya-maya kumakasanayin natin si Secretary Arnold de Mesa, spokesperson ng Department of Agriculture. Kasi parang hindi naman siguro malala na palitan ng patungan ng mga salita, no ha? Ang TPA at saka RDA. Tungkol dito sa mga naka-impact doon sa mga puerto natin, ang pantala natin sa Luzon na Maynila, mga kapuso, no? Marami daw na mga bigas na 888 container van na yan. 20 million mahigit yata na kilo ng bigas. Mga mamaya, kung malaman natin, ano ha? Alas 6:35 na po, pero si Justinio mula...
Oh my gosh, that was so hard.
Tawagan dito tungkol sa bigas na. Alas 6:35 na po na bumaga oras natin.
B-boy, look, I have a sparkler. Look, I have a sparkler. Follow me. Right here. Bro, stop. I'm right here. I'm the one wearing headphones. I'm the one following you. Here. There's no blue one. Ooh. We can make... I have an egg. You will make an egg. And I just make an egg. 12 seconds until it hatches. We only have 0 food. We did not eat yet. Hatching. Oh, my little duckling. I have a little duckling. Use the wand and make it and then press. Oh my on, little baby. You need a hug.
Years na yun. Oh,
At ganito yan, mayroon kami nakausap kahapon. Kaka, yung mga shipment na yan, diba, dadaan yan sa OXXO. Ibababa sa pier, pagdating sa pier, inspection na ng
Come here, little baby.
oo. Yung pier, ano yun? Yung pier ay pag-aari ng PBA. PBA may nakakaiwa doon. Okay.
Oo, sila yung kumbaga storage doon ng mga kargamento. Ang nangyayari pala,
Help me.
alam nito, kung sa malitan, ha? Oo. Kaya yung iba daw, oo, yung iba na kargamento, kaya tumatagal dyan. Eh, mura, yung parang storage charge, storage fee dyan sa, kaya kapag nilabas nila at ilalagay nila sa mga private warehouses. Kaya yung tumatagal ng ganoon. Ngayon, ganito.
People, come here.
At nag-uusap ang kursani at ang biro. Sabi nung kausap namin kahapon na, pero huwag na natin pangalanan. Kung magkakatulad. Nag-uusap ang kursani dito at yung kagabi, huwag mo munang i-clear yung kargamento mo.
Yeah, how?
Kasi, mas mura pa rin pala pagka hindi pa nakiklear. Mas mura ang bayad.
Hey, boy.
Yung, kaya maingay tayong dalawa lang nakarinig.
That's another person.
Okay na.
Yung source mo, kausap ko rin.
Ano ba?
Oo, sabi ko. Sabi ko niya, ato yung termino. Ipa-flag down. Ipa-flag down. Sa sasakyan, paparahin ka ng traffic enforcer. Kahit wala ka naman sa ano ba tingnan na?
24 ba naglagay na? Harapan, nalaking kapulis.
What's the other?
Nakalagay pa lang, igagabila ka na.
Namahal.
Inabit. May order ng dito nila.
Addition. Where's Robot? I'm a little ducky. What's this? Wait, I'm videoing. I'm a little ducky. Look at the stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get the little bow. No, I'm gonna be an angel ducky. No, I wanna be the angel. Nah, I'm an angel. Baby, I'm flapping my wings. Baby, where? I'm flapping my wings.
Ano pala yun? Yun ang pinakakuli nila yun.
Fly away.
Ha?
Hey, wait for me. Can you pull me, baby? Press pull. Okay, go in. I'm gonna pull you. I can't get the rope. Look, he was not giving me a rope.
Ha?
Look, it's not. He's giving me the rope.
Ang issue, kuha lang yan ng record sa yan.
Bakit nakulangin pa yung kapulis nila yun? Masakit? Ha? Para makita na may order ko sila dito.
Oh, look, I'm not allowed. You want a head wrap or a bracelet?
Ano tawag doon?
Yeah, sorry guys, I was just AFK. Mita!
Ha?
I want to sit around with you.
Ha? Hindi naman daw tao,
It's so fun. Help me, it's so fast, guys. It is fast. Help me. Oh, Abby.
Ayaw lang ang lumabas na order.
Toot, 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 toot.
dapat din nila kinabit. Maganda pa, tuma.
I'm too big for Abby. Are you kidding me right